In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai for your meetings in 2025. Whether you're trying to capture every word in a meeting, collaborate with colleagues, or need a handy reference for later, Otter.ai makes it easy and efficient. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to get you started and make the most out of your meeting experiences. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Otter.ai website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or you can search for Otter.ai in your search engine if that's easier. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice the login button. Click on it to proceed. With the login window open, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you've previously used Otter.ai, this is where you sign in. If you're new, you might need to create an account, which usually involves providing an email address and creating a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Otter dashboard. Take a look at the top left corner of your screen, where you should find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for Account Settings, which will allow you to fine-tune your Otter.ai experience. On the Account Settings page, you'll want to locate the section labeled Apps and Integrations. This is where you can connect Otter.ai with your various meeting platforms to ensure seamless integration. Once you've found it, click to open. Here, you're presented with a list of different apps that can integrate with Otter.ai. Scroll through and find your meeting app of choice. For today's walkthrough, we'll connect Otter.ai with Zoom. Once you've found Zoom, go ahead and click on the Add button. After that, you'll be prompted to manage app permissions. It's crucial at this stage to carefully review the permissions that the integration will require. Ensure that you're comfortable with what's being accessed. Once you're ready, click on Allow to continue. When you return to the Apps and Integrations page, you'll see that your Zoom account is now connected. This setup allows the Otter Assistant to automatically join your Zoom meetings as a participant. If enabled, it can record and transcribe meetings on your behalf, making documentation and collaboration much more straightforward. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Otter.ai with Zoom for your meetings. Otter will capture audio, provide live transcriptions, and make everything searchable for easy reference later. This powerful integration means you won't miss any important points and can focus on engaging with your meeting participants instead. Keep exploring Otter.ai to discover more features that could further enhance your productivity in meetings. Happy collaborating!